Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show how to disable automatic update in the Mac operating system. You can see here in the system preference there is a red notification, and if you click on this you can see in the system preference software update. Okay, there is a notification. Okay, that means a new version of Mac OS is available. Okay, if you are new to this channel, please support me by subscribing on my YouTube channel. Okay, now let us check how to disable this Mac update. If you click on this notification section, software updates, it will start for checking update. Okay, it will consume internet data and it will make your system slow if you are working. Okay, so to disable this one, click on this Apple icon and click on the App Store, and now it will open up the App Store, and in the menu here you can click on this App Store again, and there you can go to the preference. Now it will open up this menu. Okay, here you have to uncheck this automatic updates. If your system it is already checked, you have to uncheck this one. Okay, for that you have to enter the user password also. Okay, you just have to uncheck this automatic update, otherwise it will automatically start download new updates if you are connected to internet. Okay, now this is the one method to disable the automatic update, and there is some advanced options also. For that you can do another settings. I will show you. Okay, for that click on this system preference again, and go to this software update, and it will start checking for update. Okay, we have to stop that one. Okay, click on the advanced tab, and you can see here check for update option is available. Uncheck this one and enter your login password and unlock. Now you can see this option is unchecked, and click OK. It will disable the Mac automatic update, and it will not automatically download any update files while you are working. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel.